episode of Decor Beats podcast series. Decor Beats is a growing startup that helps you to reimagine your home decor. The podcast which you are listening to now is an initiative by Decor Beats to spread home decor ideas across the globe. So, continuing with the podcast, today we have very special guest with us, Kavita. Hi, Kavita.
Hi, Megha.
So, I will request you to introduce yourself to our audience.
Okay. My name is Kavita. I am 30-year-old and I am an online teacher. Recently, we bought a new home, and we got a very good decor ideas from the decor beats. I myself purchased some decor pieces from the decor beats, and I love to decorate my home. And just like I love colors, I love playing with the colors. So when I design my home, I kept in the mind that the color coordination should be there at every place of the house, and yeah, that's it.
Okay. So let me quickly introduce you to Vedika. She's a marketing strategy head. So over to you, Vedika.
Hi, I'm Vedika. I'm the marketing strategy head for Decor Beats. As you know, we're a female-led startup, e-commerce startup, and we have a website which has specialty home decor items. With our most popular section being the indoor Bagija section, which has designer planters, and as our planters are very special and they have unique designs and they're made manufactured in-house. We love we stand for women empowerment and we really focus on that. So we love talking to our customers and getting their feedback on our products and our company as well. Without further ado, we would love to hear about Kavita's home decor journey. Hi, Kavita.
Hi.
I just like to, like you just stated that you just bought a new house. So, what was your thought process like when you bought your new house? Like, what was your first instinct to start the decoration process?
See, buying a house in itself is a very big thing. So it was our first house. So initially there was no we can say idea about how to decorate, and but when we started with the interior designer, so it was like that. It should be workable. It should be functional. The home should be functional, and we will do the minimal decor and all these things. We will take care of it later. But as the house getting a shape, and we selected the design and the color for the house. I thought of getting up an idea because I love color and white being my favorite color.
Okay.
I include the white color at every corner of my house. So the
Okay.
theme of the house, we can say, is basic. It is the white color, and
Okay.
around white color, I played with all the other colors. So in every corner, in every room, I have a white element in my house, and after that, we have used so many color around it. For example, in the kids' bedroom, we have used vibrant color like pink and green, but with the a combination of white.
Yeah,
So
because white goes with everything, so it's a good neutral base color to have everywhere. Yeah.
yeah, and
What?
it says about it like white is a very cool and calm color. So
Yes.
when you look at the white color, a kind of calmness enters into you. So
And it
every
makes the whole space feel bigger also than
yes,
it.
the place
Yeah.
is right, very true, very true. Apart from that, I don't so many things for like decorative items and walls. I like it to be the bare minimal because I want empty space and I want my house to look bigger, and it has the like we can say the minimal of we can say minimal things I have used.
Okay.
I
Okay.
want decor piece especially for the living room of my house that goes with the color theme. So when I come,
What What did you buy from Decoview?
yeah, when I come across Megha, I saw the item, and there was a wall decor piece with the wheels, and it
Yes,
has
yes.
right color combination of blue and golden, which goes very well with my living room theme. So
Okay.
I bought it from Megha and it looks lovely.
What do you think of the quality of the product and everything?
Yeah, quality is really good and prices are also reasonable. And I got a planter also from her, and
Okay.
that is lovely.
Okay. What do you think about our customer service and the like the delivery dates and everything? Everything was okay?
That was the very best part of the decor beats. Like I have purchased one more item from the decor beats, and it was damaged in the transit. And
Okay.
when I called her, she immediately took it back and told me that there is not an issue. So that was the best part of it. Like
Okay.
they give you the guarantee that yes, the product will be in the best condition, and if it is not, then it will be refunded. And that's not it. I refunded immediately, and the quality of the product was also good.
During like the lockdown and stuff, you would have been home a lot more, so you would have had a lot more time to like set up and decorate and everything. Did you constantly change stuff around the house? Or
Actually, I was in the period of lockdown because we cannot go out. So I was
yeah,
just searching the decor pieces online and all that stuff.
okay, yes,
So I include gradually I include so many plants in my house because
okay,
I think plants give you a lively atmosphere, and other than any other decor item, it looked the best. It changed the whole atmosphere of the house. So I started including the variety of plants in the home decor items.
okay, nice. What would you say is your favorite room in your house, or the room that you think you decorated the best?
I will say it is the kids' bedroom
Okay,
because lively, very chirpy, and now my kids has like stuffed it with their stuffed toys, and there's so many books, and there are so many things in this room that I love to sit here and work from here and spend time with my kids. So this is
oh,
my
that's so nice. Um, what would you say was is your favorite decor item? Like one piece that you love the most?
decor item. I would say, yeah, that the wall piece above the sofa. That is my favorite because I was looking for it for quite some time, but couldn't find it at the reasonable price. So that is my best decor piece I have bought for
Okay.
my house.
What would you say is like one big tip that you can give to someone who has is just buying a house or just bought a house and just starting to decorate?
Yeah, according to me, we should gradually decor our house, not just buying the stuff and placing it here and there. Like keep in the mind what is the theme of the that particular space, or how can we design the space. After that, after thinking, you can purchase the item which you like. Don't purchase the item first, then fit it into the any corner of the house. Just think about it, how will it fit, how will it will go with the color theme, and then purchase it gradually because the it takes some time to decorate whole of your house. So if you will take some time to think about it, then purchase the decor item, it will be really
Yeah, like uh, think out, like plan out everything and then see if it'll fit in and
good.
then purchase. Yes, okay.
Right. See, whenever we go to buy something, go to the market or go to anywhere else, many pieces or many things attracts us. We want to buy everything. So
That's true.
don't temptation, and first plan what will look good at your place and then buy it.
Okay. Any other tips that you would like to give to our audience, listeners?
Yeah, use plants everywhere. Plants are
Okay.
a great thing for decor, and decor beats has amazing planters, so it will add up the beauty of the house. Along with the good planter and a plant, will definitely add up to the beauty of your house.
Okay. Suppose you had like a blank wall to decorate. What would be the first thing that you would think to put near it or on it or something?
Yeah, if it is a personal wall, like if I had a like empty wall in my bedroom or something, the first thing came into mind is the pictures of my family.
Okay, that's nice.
Pictures of my family, I will decorate with that. The second thing I will think as a planter, plants and planters. So I will
Okay,
decorate.
okay. As you said, you love the decor beats planters. Do you have anyone that you like, a specific one that you like the most?
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
I said, do you like any of the, which is the specific decor beat planter that you like the most? Like, which design do you like the most?
The planter which has the plain finish in the golden
Oh,
color.
yes, yes. Okay,
Uh,
okay.
that because you cannot find that planter anywhere else very easily. You cannot find that planter, that kind of planter. So I like them the most.
Do you have any suggestions for us to improve, or just any suggestions to add some more products or something like that?
Yeah, you can add so many products. Like the planter, you have a big range. So on the wall decor also, I will say that you can in handicraft items. Like
Okay.
handicraft items are very useful and look so trendy also. So more of the handicraft item I would like to see in your
Okay.
collection.
Okay. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you taking the time to come and talk to us. I would just like to do a quick recap of everything you discussed. As we know, Kavita has talked about her beautiful house and her home decor journey. She's given us tips on how to start our home decor. And if we had just purchased a new house, she's given us starter tips. And she's also talked about how greenery livens everything up. So everyone should have plants at home. Thank you so much for listening.
Thanks, Kavita, for sparing time for us and telling our listeners, such a good things about Echo Beats and everything. So thank you for joining us and
Yeah,
talking to our listeners. Thanks.
thank you.